Keeping your machine working efficiently and with minimal downtime are the most important jobs of any tooth system. In order to meet those demands, we designed the Kprime tooth system to be safer, more reliable, and provide better productivity than other tooth systems. We understand that working on the job site is dangerous, and we made a safer tooth system because of it. We accomplished this by adding pry slots, weight markings to each component, and more innovative changes such as redesigning our locking system so it is intuitive and easy to use. We went so far as to add a push-out feature to help dislodge the fastener when the pin is unlocked to simplify the process of changing teeth. You wouldn't buy a machine that was unreliable, so why would you buy a tooth system that isn't either? We increased the strength of the adapter nose by up to 10%. The pin design was improved to reduce the number of lost teeth due to accidental unlocking. The tooth was redesigned to reduce wear on adapters and wear caps. Tooth stability was improved by engineering a better tooth-to-adapter fit. Being productive is important on any job site, so making sure your GET lasts as long as possible was a goal of ours. We increased the usable wear material up to 15%. Added wear indicators so you know when components need to be replaced to maximize production efficiency. We also designed the tooth to stay sharp through its life. The teeth can also be rotated 180 degrees, extending their wear life. The Kprime tooth system is ideal for all excavators and wheel loaders and can be used in any construction or mining application. With Kprime, we've come up with a new standard, one that utilizes technology to create a safer worksite, more reliable components, and overall increased productivity. Contact your Hensley sales representative or Komatsu dealer to find out how Kprime can work for you.